Did you know? During these times of social distancing, remote deposit capture, or RDC, is an ideal way to keep money moving between consumers, businesses, and financial institutions. It's also a great way for corporations to save time and money, and for financial institutions to generate new revenue streams. What is remote deposit capture? In the most basic of terms, it's simply a service that allows businesses or consumers to send a check to their financial institution for processing and settlement without ever having to spend time inside the branch. This can be done via an ATM, a business's physical office, a mobile device, or even via a branch capture option, meaning businesses and consumers alike can deposit checks right from their office, home, or on the go. By scanning the check, either an image of that check or ACH information is sent to their bank or credit union for processing and settlement. On the financial institution side, the checks are either converted to ACH transactions and flow through the ACH network, or are truncated and cleared as an image or image replacement document or substitute check. You may hear the following terms: merchant capture, mobile RDC, image deposit, corporate capture, or image cash letter. These all basically fall into the RDC family of services depending on how the service is deployed. What technology is needed for RDC? For the average consumer, the software is embedded into their financial institution's mobile application or online banking platform. The consumer needs access to their smartphone or tablet and an adequate connection to capture an image of the check and transmit it to their bank or credit union. For commercial or retail merchants, the equipment and software are usually provided by their financial institution. What are the benefits for financial institutions? For financial institutions, offering RDC solutions is a great way to attract new clients and generate new revenue. By offering a variety of RDC services, banks and credit unions can target new customers with a solution to save them time and money, attract next-generation customers and members with on-the-go offerings, boost retention with current clients, strengthening account holder loyalty, eliminate the geographic boundaries by reducing the need to visit the branch, larger wallet share with existing clients as they consolidate their banking relationships. Stay competitive and profitable in today's technology-driven marketplace. Reduce processing costs by saving on check courier fees and the fees the Federal Reserve charges for check clearing. What are the benefits for businesses and consumers? For businesses, remote deposit capture offers many benefits, including eliminating the need for checks to be transported to their financial institution, saving time and resources. The ability to deposit checks later in the day, as many institutions extend RDC deposit deadlines much later than paper deposits. Improved availability of funds since deposits can be made earlier in the day. Better cash flow and working capital. Reduced processing costs. The consolidation of banking relationships. It is estimated that 2/3 of small business owners still make branch deposits weekly, with 1/3 actually visiting their bank or credit union every day. There is a large untapped market for RDC services for financial institutions to service. However, before you jump right in, there are many things to consider from a risk perspective. A one-size-fits-all risk mitigation strategy will not cut it. A financial institution should develop and implement risk measuring and monitoring systems as well as comprehensive procedures for RDC activity, including endorsement requirements, setting deposit limits on the amount and/or number of items, duplicate item detection, comprehensive, legally binding agreements with retail and corporate customers, well-defined agreements with core processors, business continuity and/or disaster recovery plans, customer due diligence, screening, and onboarding, board reporting, compliance, legal, audit, and insurance considerations. It is also important to determine storage, retention, and destruction requirements. While you may feel rushed to jump into offering RDC services, it's important to conduct an RDC risk assessment prior to launching your service. Likewise, reviewing your program on an annual basis is also highly recommended as a best practice. If your organization has any questions about developing a remote deposit capture program or assessing its associated risks, please don't hesitate to contact us at 800-500-0100, memserve@epcor.org, or via chat at epcor.org. Our expert advisory services team would be happy to talk with you.